get me. Siguro ba yan? Wala na.
People have been talking about me. I will bring a gun tomorrow.
Come in. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I overheard Sir Joseph say something.
What did you hear?
He said he will bring a gun tomorrow.
Okay, thank you for reporting.
Thank you, sir. Come in.
Good afternoon, sir.
Our janitor said he overheard Mr. Joseph say that he will bring a gun tomorrow.
Okay, so we will have a meeting tomorrow afternoon.
Okay, sir.
I heard Mr. Joseph that he would bring a gun in the workplace. I felt frightened, immediately reported because I believe it was a serious threat.
We admit that we talked about the employee, but we did not intend to cause harm. We did not expect our actions to escalate the situation.
Yes, I admit that I made a statement, but it was said out of anger due to the rumors being spread about me. But I had no real intention of harming anyone.
When the witness reported the threat, I immediately referred the issue to Human Resources and Security to ensure everyone's safety.
So we investigated all sides of the incident, the witness, the accused employee, and those involved spreading rumors. Appropriate administrative actions were taken based on company policy.